A Geographic Information System, or GIS, is a computer system for capturing, storing, checking, and displaying data related to positions on Earth's surface. GIS can show many different kinds of data on one map. This enables people to more easily see, analyze, and understand patterns and relationships. On the most basic level, Geographic Information Systems technology is used as computer cartography, that is for straightforward mapping. A GIS works by combining database functions with computer mapping to map and analyze geographic data. It uses a layering technique to combine various types of data. GIS software lets you produce maps and other graphic displays of geographic information for analysis and presentation. For more information, visit letstalkgis.info.